In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 lagging problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. First thing, you have to check down here on these options and make sure to turn off all the apps that you don't need. Like this, for example, I just turned it off one of the apps, and now I'm going to turn off this from here. And after you finish, all what you have to do is go to here, go to settings, and then go to privacy and go to app permissions, and all what you have to do here is click, for example, on videos and make it off. Click on pictures, make it off like this, and after you finish, do all these options right here and make them off easily and fast. After you finish, all what you have to do is restart your PC, and then everything is gonna be good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.